Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of roasted peanuts, 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get blending. Pour your roasted peanuts into a sturdy food processor. Begin processing and watch the magic happen. The peanuts will transform from crumbs to a thick paste, then to a creamy, pourable butter. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of the bowl occasionally to ensure even blending. Once your peanuts are a thick paste, it's time to refine the texture and flavor. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen oil, like peanut or vegetable oil, to help achieve that perfect creaminess. Now, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Blend everything together for another minute or 2 until it's wonderfully smooth. Give it a taste and adjust the salt or add sweetener if you like. Congratulations, you've made delicious homemade peanut butter. Carefully spoon your fresh creation into an airtight container. For optimal freshness, store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay good for up to 2 weeks. This recipe typically yields about 1-5 cups of peanut butter. Now, go ahead and enjoy your healthy, homemade spread on toast with apples or straight from the spoon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.